In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Dropbox trial. Let's walk through this step-by-step process to ensure you can easily manage your subscription settings without any hassle. First, make sure you're logged into your Dropbox account. Begin from your Dropbox homepage, which is the central hub for all your Dropbox activity. Here you can find your files, settings, and manage your account details. Keep in mind, you'll want to be on a computer for this, as it's best suited for desktop navigation. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you should see your profile icon, which is typically a thumbnail of you, a generic avatar, or your initials, depending on the setup you have. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu, which contains various options tailored to managing your account. From the drop-down, go ahead and select Settings. The Settings page is where you'll find all the essential elements of your Dropbox account, including your personal and security settings. This is a great place to familiarize yourself with additional features that Dropbox offers, but for now, we'll focus on canceling the trial. Now, within the Settings menu, look for the Plan tab. This section provides details of your current plan, whether it's the trial version or a paid subscription. It's crucial to navigate here because this is where you have direct control over your subscription changes and updates. After clicking on Plan, you will need to proceed by clicking Manage Plan. By accessing this area, you unlock various tools such as upgrading or downgrading your plan, viewing billing information, and most importantly, the ability to cancel your trial. Being mindful in this section is key, especially if you're contemplating any future plan adjustments. Locate the option that says Cancel Your Trial. It's usually displayed quite prominently as it's an essential function of account management. Clicking on this will begin the process to cancel your trial, thus preventing any automatic billing when your trial ends. Be aware, canceling the trial before it ends means you'll lose access to those extra features when the trial period concludes. This straightforward method gives you control over your Dropbox account settings, ensuring you're not inadvertently charged for a service you might not be ready to commit to. Whether you're new to Dropbox or have been using it for a while, knowing how to manage your trial effectively helps avoid unnecessary charges and provides a smoother user experience. If you have any further questions or run into issues, Dropbox's support resources can be a handy guide to assist you. That's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.